Adom 106.3 FM. Fabɛwɔso Naso. Some 24 minutes after 8. Utien ayamamunyina akwa. Yemfa Sadama DBS roofing sheet, Pan-African Savings and Loans, Vitamel, Greenfield Scientific Herbal, and a Franco Trading Enterprise. I'm going to buy me a day. Fabɛwɔso But now every year, that was last week, and Bank of Ghana edit statement ebabetuja na statement no efa savings and loans companies or say notice of revocation of licenses of insolvent savings and loans companies and finance houses and appointment of a receiver. This time the Bank of Ghana and it say savings and loans companies and the finance houses 23 no omo the reasons are omo the revoke obia license buy obia the detailed reasons why and I know you shall see the GN savings and loans reasons no emamo and you per se you share the very popular ones na woman no and manfo bebre na enim any reasons a Bank of Ghana de mind ye did tudwa emamo ye wia ye busa asem tiawa banking reforms he shall see about 2 years ago. You started with universal banks, no Obekaya, Capital Bank, ni UT Bank, and a core under first. And no mono, adia GCB, one, na the GCB take over. A free ho and 5 commercial banks. You collapse one car, one boom, a form a consolidated bank Ghana, CBG. And ye free one, ye babe a microfinance and so dear. Over 300 microfinance companies. So Ushemua, the consequences, the effect, and yaka yabesia kebio say, we no broni beka say a necessary evil. Na a bitter pill was a swallow now. Because your cocoa drew leveler, the BOG had no option. Because also reasons on my okay all reporter about from the Boldest report to the PricewaterhouseCoopers report and all the other statements if we BOG one kasa abano. Not just for these financial institutions, we could do leveler. We be saying a door of no return. Of course, so we find a case by case basis. People can advance arguments. Say, okay, for some of them, there now a bianchi bet me for a different approach to help them. But Bank of Ghana no free say this was the approach and I was say offer. So what reasons any the na banks nibi microfinance companies nibi savings and loans companies nibi adofonom. It is just crazy why we've gotten to where we are. The effect of sadie on menewo. Social microfinance companies and run many ora Eric Nipa Edin Komo on any receiver. Fortunately, he was receiver for the over 300 microfinance companies. On my own, so Osha staff strength of all the over 300 microfinance companies no in excess of 4,000. Nipa 4,000. Ejuma Oyesisiano, he is engaging some of the staff as contractors in the on contract basis. Say omumwa no manenye adwuma ye de ahye ne nsa because na adwuma ene say sika akakam amanfo car na wode sa savings and loans any microfinance companies e wo say ojeje omo wo asset bi a e wo say ohwe eton na aban sika kakra a ode ama no ode ka ho na ode tua depositors ka. Oya sadie ni wi anadwuma ende inti staff over 4,000 no omo a opeki ni won ye adwuma omu wi a monso no you have to move on e was all pay before for efa. That's the impact. But there yawo we mu eno hwe savings and loans there na and also staff near in excess of 2,000 almost the same process don't be go through because no yamane contract as a receiver or we are adwuma ende say ofawo as a contractor anyway adwuma onso adwuma ende into over 2,000 staff e savings and loans temono omonso e was say moving on. But through no fault of theirs, because the decisions are management and the board members take here, beyond staff of these financial institutions. It is our management members and Makamesia Kabio say yeah my white collar crime abe too lucrative in this country. Says if a nipa bi nom ho de a emra ne ye adwuma enye yi yenim say aban form a special investigative team to look into the issues. The banking scandal and this is the biggest financial scandal in our history. Buying a committee over 14 billion Ghana cedis. Far in excess of Sikaya Kwakwaje from Sino Hydro. The bauxite, Ekosia Wawa, aji $2 billion. And also $2 billion are acquire ebeye, the number of bridges are ebeye wa Ghana. It tells you, say, yenyasa 14 billion Ghana cedis yashe banks yimuna. Jume betimi edi. Enti yani bresem. And say special investigative team no oma juma report ne wahin because I know they invited staff of Bank of Ghana because clearly no staff ni bi oho juma na wo so omo anye ne ye nioma ni bi oho banks ni bi try say because we a regulator uko bank the information or the amount na wo de ye juma ebinom the information ni sie falsify information just to beat the regulator. And no regulator but there were clear breaches on the part of the regulator. Okay, Boulder's reporter, banks need liquidity support. There was appointed advisors and all of that. Ubusa Bank of Ghana for say, that time and now Act 930 MI into being no because Act 930 and the Babe share say liquidity support for advisors and count. Into that time 2012 2013 2014 time no na act ne meye adwuma into your man fa advisor omudi bem but the point is with or without an advisor oma institution be liquidity supporter e was say wo ye adwuma bi etu anamon bi wo ho into Bank of Ghana staff anya won adwuma yie we have to deal with them and say a person confident ne cyber back into the sector. It was a signals but we run a political economy. It is a actions be say a solve one to clean up the system and two to send the signals to the Ghanaian people. Okay, the FIFA in the case of FIFA investigations, no, Seblata Edru US ahomachi and the US authorities no. You send the right signals. The watching initial impo. Now we jai no say we investigations are Nama obia emfili say or you above the law. When you nimedin out as of wom business executives wom and obia nam ho free 14 billion. And so not to take the wind out of the sail of Northern no share even with this savings and loans companies. So what should you be no more adofonum. Say Yane say the easiest way to rob a bank is to own one. Enti utimi unso fifa kwan bi so enya wo license eno ano no. Because I see there nanka me depositor me sika am dia ba beto bank se mo nhwe so mame. Na bank ni di bie other businesses di waye sika ni ko me bi di kwa brochire basa. Enti NA bank owners company bia bi wo Ghana ho mo obi. Into anunkwa bank, anunkwa printing company, anunkwa one company. It is a unyaje bank, all the other companies the egu. And to build all the other companies around the bank and a deposit a seeker, and ye shame other investment. Northern Aquaba, let's say.
You know, I'm no pay now, so
Adom Bibi Aboko. And shall say, and I know you can GN savings and loans, dear. And you better global access savings and loans.
That's Dr. Kofi Amwa.
Dr. Kofi Amwa, and then why? Normalization committee,
Normalization committee. And former can
2008 local organizing
chairman.
Yeah.
It is a normalization committee is here and Dr. Kofi Amwa. I don't know. Global access.
Oh no.
I don't know.
Hey. In also Bank of Ghana, okay, it may be, to be fair to him, he is not Global Access or a majority shareholder, right?
Majority shareholder.
No.
Oh, David.
Or a separate legal entity. Let's establish that.
We would establish that, but you see, yes. At the end, say, company, maybe a company, maybe 80%.
Yes.
Who 20%.
Yes.
Who has the controlling stake?
I made a majority shareholder.
Exactly.
But the American say
company no owners even you make us any no.
Yes. Oh, I am majority shareholder. No, I agree. But the point I'm making is say company no Global Access Savings and Loans a separate legal entity. Okay, they can sue and can be sued from the majority shareholder, who is Dr. Kofi Amwa. And there was a distinction. But the point is that because of controlling stake, exactly. In the Bibia Koswa Enya, we can trace it to his doorstep. And not the end, no two ways about that. Matisa Enra, Okopiemu, good evening, Ghana, so a Metro TV.
Yes.
Eka Nsembi, ENTAB.
Been saved because here is a program. My capital adequacy ratio is -28. Not acceptable. I'll bring you a program that I'll put in 11 million Ghana cedis right away. It will bring my capital adequacy ratio to -12. I have an asset worth $10 million. At that time, that's 4.5. So that's 45 million Ghana cedis. If I put that in there right away, my capital adequacy ratio goes to plus 26%. And therefore, to be so micromanaging and this and that and all of that, and case on this institution, where you, the bank, has said that you have very good board, very good management. It's just the troubles of things that happen. You know, you're a remittance company, your partner in the US says this and that, so temporarily for 6-8 months you are down, but you can restructure and come back up. That's what I'm saying. In some cases,
okay, and the apologies for that. Where Dr. Kofi Amwa Nensema or the two no opoto kakra but say wotie the okay nyina na say problems they share as no now or say or the capital adequacy ratio is negative.
I was negative 20 something percent, but the Bank of Ghana actually had a different. No,
but no say okay negative 20 something. Yes. But now or sikabi 11 million be our de beshim now about negative 12.
Yes.
And our other assets.
Yes.
Anka obetimi aton assign a recapitalize. Nanko about positive. And a bank raise or money.
No, I feel said they will be micromanaged and term so Bank of Ghana
in the Bank of Ghana no more saying almost global access
the Bank of Ghana nankasa kan here omoje a global access for
license.
First one here, the institution's net worth of negative 58.919 million Ghana cedis as at the end of May 2019 indicates that its paid up capital is impaired in violation of section 28(1) of the Act 930. Then capital adequacy ratio or more explanations is here. Bank of Ghana so say the institution's capital adequacy ratio of negative 195.06%.
I don't know, say 20 something.
The Bank of Ghana is
yeah.
And as at the end of May 2019, it's also in violation of section 29(2) of the Act, which is Act 930.
Negative 195%.
Yes.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I mean, just a whole 400% now. And the Bank of Ghana, and that's according to Bank of Ghana. Now, almost science or say the institution had breached the statutory cash reserve ratio requirement
since 2016.
2016. Which means sika I say woman loans near you will skip here at any point in time you buy so you said that
say the BBC you bet me yes BBC any only that since 2016
you have breached it. Since 2016, they be a number now you are below what they expect. Or something to us no say the institution assumed the liability of a loan contracted by the majority shareholder amounting to 2.91 million Ghana cedis. You just say the more patch and say Dr. Kofi Amwa which is the majority shareholder.
Yes.
Ekoji loan be nimbe bi okoji loan if now global access as omoji to mu say
ye ne yakwa
akwaje and I say ye ne betua
nti abaye books so
nti mamu nko enkohwehwe Dr. Kofi Amu abiem si ano mommra ye ho it Honana Bank of Ghana said the loan amount was injected into
the institution as equity capital.
The liability was however cancelled as a suspense account in the books of Global Access Savings and Loans Limited. Now then so we are majority holder na akwaji loan we baby wo do din akwaji and how be before from Nigeria aden obeka say we institution no mu na nko
into the abaya equity capital say or the ababa shame to take care of ebia and the shares no for example
unless say Dr. Fiamo person o kire say can okwaji or the be share adwuma no mu global access so the be share mu dia then no in accounting terms they betumi aka say yes it is allowed say even though me din akwaji sika free forjo ho na adwuma me no ye ne ye yedi koye adwuma no but memma fojo enkase me na meji into be chime esesi ano esese adwuma na
onu momutua the next point they cry very interesting say the institution continues to record accumulated losses due mainly to high rent expenses paid to the majority shareholder for the use of its premises
enti na say ode ono no dan we si
e no de ma company
no omo ye den
company ni tua rent e de ma no by say rent ne boy den dodo
say any adenti na Bank of Ghana e kasa so omo share the average rent ye tua was area ni
yes
na de omo tua ma no is over and above
too much
nti me fan say e bia kokomrem la ye hai ye nim say say 100,000 Ghana cedis
yes
na me 5 bedroom na me de ama company me no we bi na no de me say me de meje mo 500,000 Ghana cedis that is over and above it is just
bibi sana na koso it na ma company no recorded losses
be now almost to us say the institution failed to keep accounting records in a manner that gives an accurate and reliable account of its transactions constitutes unsafe and unsound banking practice and not just a normal balance sheet your friends say all those accounting they be almost no my so mo ye e ba na e be fa omo books e be hu say we dey so we no na omo ye
mamene banking consultant Dr. Richmond Akwesi etu ahene eni enkomo emra doc mete won ka che bibia boko de
nyame adaroma bibia boko na so
nyame adumo ye ho ye papa na enei minim say we mpo de obeka said yes with savings and loans ye nya because it's something you expected by bia kase how Bank of Ghana about managing this whole thing and sheda entwa ye papa in terms of one communication ebi se sika mpe dede inti is it the case baby anioma kodru ye no this was the best approach a Bank of Ghana bitime yusu
that's menia anioma no kodru dia kodru na pro enti se ba se wo ye ho adwuma what your options be a revocation, be a bailout, be a consolidation. Almost transition, almost say, look, you can't see ye support to normal Koswa, a Jumano, and Quenimu, and Quenye. To me, the say, the governor, no, the dinner 2 and the board, I know, and I'm not one so pa, it is idea me protect teacher. I mean, Ocean was somehow can't see a meet you. I asked Stephen. Say Liberty Nico be a bank. No, why and I just say maybe rent be good dumano. Obisu could be a bank. No, we are $62 million. Was maybe a cut off bank do a today. I mean, somehow more can go for can say, yeah, na Bank of Ghana for choice and I'm saying Nipan Timing can kind. Okay, kind pa, na say no crane or more can. Niggas a Nipana or Moya Stadium, or Moya Boapayo, or Moya so almost say a dumano. Jimmy, me know Moya drink pa.
But Womubi Akasa Enra, for example, Dr. Kofi Amu, our majority shareholder with Global Access Savings and Loans, and in fact, capital adequacy ratio, this is here, on only figure our money Bank of Ghana figure our mano, Ebra, Bank of Ghana say, negative 195%, but on no eco tibe negative 28% thereabout. Emma Okase, na Osika be 11 million, be no person or the beshim, one kebe short. claw the way up ababe -12 and our asset be a sanko timi ton ya and can the capital adequacy ratio ne back to the positive but as a Bank of Ghana micromanage adena na afi ye twene titew se onko in the office the bank was not fair to him. The same thing Indum Parkwes Indum so akasa say yes you downgrading from a commercial bank to savings and loans but as na omonso sika bi aban de won car contract bi a na omudi sika ma aban contractors and all of that okoti be 2 billion bi at size can buy and ke betimi turn around the fortunes what your defense na etewo saying
menia uti obia ebasea obia be kan de opeso kan Bank of Ghana capital adequacy ratio calculation misrao my adwuma o bank a check then fie there be asan kwadu 9 omo calculate omo kwan calculate na ya kire o sei nti anka me di we be pa ko shem anka o man sorry metimi aka kire o on ground say Bank of Ghana transit dako e na oye me adwuma ma ba savings no omo frame penyipo a omo dia no from 9 nye no o frame bi ni mu January March February April kwa na me ye adwuma ma ba ko wa frena bosumi bia wo mo frɛ wo mo se capital plan ye frɛ bi e na wo pese o ye enti anka na wo ka no se anka no sa sika no wo de koya e bi ni mo de wo mo de koyi ya yu no metimi aka bi a kyerɛ wo me se obi di 26 million na ne de ele te se de mo ken o de ko hye mu ya mu no e de license amano oh na wo ka anka na wontimi operationalize anka no a eye brofo na wo ka eye brofo ye mount ye du kra wontimi ye na ade na wo mo ka no enye nura ne say ye every 2016 no but 2017 na asay na Bank of Ghana ye na dey say minka na me twentwen na nka ma twen na ma twentwen na me ni mo di nsa wo so na mo betimi a me mo bi a waye bi a ye nwe anye ne license ndi anka na wo mo ka no me ma ye adwuma ma binum enti sa well, and will be so say no savings na or a bank any savings. Sure, Onia Menoka, Macabim, and Ramacao baby. Look, a player, your Freddy business model. A binamusha that create business conglomerate. Conglomerate means what you feel, you know, have you, Upia, Nadia Kwasha, Upia, Nadia Kwasha, Upia, Nadia Kwasha. At the end of the day, see a consolidated inspection you be when say sika bi en free baby ma e free ha na be sha e free ha na ko sha na especially the money you say bank ne na sika bem ndi sika ba bank mu wutimi kopia ko sha wutimi kura di ko si school hey wutimi di obi a woka hwe bank a ye bie no 2013 so 2013 or 2012 minia I was close to 300 branches 300 branches na branches in years ago na record branch no ma me show my adwuma my chief first Atlantic here na me kan wo ye one branch kura hu sika odo it is a shareholder na mfa ma wo the deposit sika na be ye na anka na o mu ka no o se sankoma lawyer panyin na kan o se so the open Bank of Ghana the aye na enya wo de no mra no wo 930 ni mu utimi ko arbitration emma yetimi say the Bank of Ghana di kwa ye beka ndi wo mu de wo mu ntiase a na the Bank of Ghana na anto wo mansum ya emra no wo wo mu court snap court ma adjudicator no mu ntiase no mu arbitrate ni ehwe the Bank of Ghana de wo ka no capital adequacy enya no nko na bu bank enya kam liquidity obi abebe gi sika na wo de akoto dan ana wo ye rent de ma wo ho no rent e bro so say de na meti a wo ken ade $1,000 a wo gi be $5,000 a wo be gu adwuma no nti anka no wo mo ka no me fi say Bank of Ghana di obetini aya na waye no waye ade na mo me mo na ba so na me de ye me de kura wo ma ya ye me de ne say yare ye ken yare this started 2013 2014 2015 over kaya World Bank report 2015 no can say asset quality of the bank crying yet ni wani etia wo na de no say nti bisiro mo ma Bank of Ghana so bi enura kura wo tie ya na na do so kasa wo kan say bi say mo ntie bi no o say wo mo di kan hwe bank no so wo mo hwe woni ye ya say de ka kire ebel ni ken so ti wani ma ya anka wo muna wani sanka wo mo di kan ye ya ni ni sanka ade ba be so ade sin so Nanon Addison Kasa or TV station back. Okay, also at the end of the whole plan, I did kick up money, no, but anybody who has chief was here, as Antipolis, only chest medicine. I could draw chest medicine, I could draw, who wouldn't have to draw into me yet. Into Okunini Addison, the way, maybe if said you bet me a Ghana for banking and why, you know. Nti nipa ne nya anka na de ya ye no omom to ombo ase ne hwe kwan a nkofo sika a omo ase no a aban pe bosia e de abehye mu no na nka aban nya ne sama ye.
Two things na ye de see. Number one, ebi aka say maybe, just maybe, na ewasanka Bank of Ghana enya a comprehensive plan kakra far reaching in safeguarding a man for nyuma in these companies, because enra many receiver Eric Nipa di nkomo microfinance companies nenkwa 4,000 plus staff woni mu faith ono aka say obe engage ebinom on contract say na djuma ye de ahye ne nsa no wie pe all those people would have to move on. The same with savings and loans for them. So I say staff strength they about 2,000 plus for the savings and loans and the finance houses. Almost no be engage a bit more on contract. They all have to move on. Yes, a year well intentioned as the reforms may be, the downside ninsu any. I say ensure that any plan to take care of these staff. Anyway.
Minia, me da was pa say omuni comprehensive plan. You see, me ko Bible no bi. Bible say, oti e king and oti wani maya anka wo mu na wani. Se nipa na adwuma na ye won dia no. Ene wo dwini nipa ni won ye adwuma no ho anka ne wo ye no anka wonye. Related lending. Eyabo busiama tunneling. Brofuna na wo ba kuna na wo kan say rent your friend is tunneling. What tunnel wo fasika na fi akode. Wo dwe nipa na ye adwuma no ho a wo ye wo yem be hihyew.
Yeah.
Wo yem hihyew adwini nipa ye adwuma no Ghana ha de na hu no mpanyimfo pii pe ye Ghana for bank no. Meni bia ye adwuma omo nwi nipa na ye adwuma no ho. Me kan kire wo onu nya no ho si agu ni de nyame amane amfana ntumu a sika na wapia what year didn't we crack or top bank or abridge? Won't be bank, won't be nipa yet. There can be a consolidation and I a revocation of license and I bailout. You can't boom nipa yet, you must say. A yard who said basa, but won't in fact emotion and cast away the supporting labor. There must be production. Oh, production. We have Juma, let Juma buy a Tiaoka. This will be no gain. Nipa na egu no nye se de tirimu odin adipa ne tirimu nya den but the akodro no anipa ni hu ahodin e na aban so tiem enura president e kata no o kan ro sempa o si wa say wono 13 billion no kura de o ka bank you wan ka microfinance wan ka savings ndi me the president go try ni bisa na ko he wo mo ti table no bi so ba ka kire se e de so be se obi afinya kire but me me ka kire se eno be man be 4 billion. The money be 4 billion. What the 4 billion ko ka 13 ni ho a 17. And sana capital no e ka se wo mun ko pa wo munyae no. Oti ya na no. Na no so eno be ka ho a. Minua ye ko be 21 billion. Oti o san president ka bi ma men ka bi nti wo se. Sika ya de be siesie o man capital expenditure kra wo nyuru bi da. Oni sa sika no. Nti niema projects bi ese so wo mo ye kwan a asfei. E kwan a asfei hospital no ho na no minua bi awu ya. You call your drone who at Tanka on the Piano drone hospital. Yet you have my bank of war. Or my say a T bank and near Bruno. Near what ye, and any panel one, Tinipana, or more Seno, a arrow, a yate. Inti young fellow say a Jumano in Susan Sobino, maybe I was Susan.
Yes.
Oko football now, Mubua. Your insurance, we are more better. Sana Bank, you must say.
The other thing, and Mikaisa me no share campaign we say we could see saying so say yeah the betimi bia to make sure say obia through the action and inaction sad ye buy because you see an mention you maybe say utie budget statement for this year now your entire budget yeah say be 56 billion Ghana cedis
exactly
and it say banking way reforms in where cost about 21 billion. That's almost half the year spending where your budget in also for the whole year. it's crazy. It is a obi eye bibia. But assistance now, doc, almost 2 years. Yente sa anomaba. So far, the only way I had to again ora nipa or this some of the directors they require a civil case.
Civil case, yeah.
Ain't criminally no prosecution. Almost 2 years. Aden.
Unia menu na shasi me da se e ha me pa enwa kra no na o mampeyi kasa no okay bibi se binom e wo central bank no mo bo amane gu na nka me be ko pese o kase ono kra September December o kaya December 20th o gina ba bi kan
yes
say criminally go for bi wa investigation no ku so o mo koso criminal or you be mo criminal process o kan December 20th o pa ko graphic ni nti me fi sanka December 20th ko kan o baby no ke free send na wo kan no ka so kimika kire say ai asimesi no no be on timi kan asimesi o ti say de ye de dia kan ma special prosecutor and attorney general sankrofo we ye hu say wo mudi for ye nya nti dia wo kan no e ya reho entire budget of 56 billion na 21 billion almost 45% go obi ni nsem hu na wadi obi nsem money a wadi no na Ghana for the tia dia ene dia mechira wo se dia wo kan me ne wo ya adene entwaye kra ese so obi timi ka kire me ne wo especially me ne wo ya campaign is that on kan kire se kina no pa afredi enipa du se dia hu wo mo gina court and yes civil suit dia e betimi akoso ase da kingdom come yes mura kra ni here but criminal case no dia ya me ya ne se me nua e be si Nigeria me ta kan fa tell Mrs. Eburu Oceanic woman bank managing director of Oceanic Bank. Sars the way I know America Nigeria for man for brofo kese any anka se obi akọ brofo anyama dey charge wo mo no ba ko ye fraud and a second one ye money laundering. Minia mami condemned criminally. He was in prison for 6 months. Free prison by minia me say anka the tea niama assassin go for japade o dia hye de madi mu nyina omo ye free bi tracer ye tracy ton nyina omo realize 1 billion euro not naira euro and euro what they call dollar 1.something billion 1.1 billion omo realize nyina na ye no ati say ye beka ye nka we about me no okay ye ka wie no mo de ato ho na bibi fufura ba no mo so ese say o man na me ni bre say ye ni abre say nipa na oji o mam ye di 21 billion at least you recover 7 kra na 10 at least adama budget na ye na say ya bobosia ho ya bobosia na me bu ka kire o musia wo ba ya wo no ne ya wo ba na o de ka 6,627 cedis at the end of June ya bobosia twa santima ya bobosia fika biasi nyina ho ehia bobosia na dia be daily bank obi no asay ade no tifie no odidi ne binom square trotro mo wait about God is with me stand by me brofo no mo keka I mean me no ya adwen ya tete pa sama me ka chiwo ya tete ya kofa ba na ati se ye penny aka but you see on man dia so we sa die we ni anya si anhwa anya e no bi ka we Thompson Papa Thompson
Ken Thompson yes Delex Finance
Ken say si anhwe anya we wie ebe ya de betina o meisu na ko si se wiase be se na ye de bobosia na ni pe mienu afa ndi woni ame no ya adwen e ho ne de bia no pa me nkasa ho e bia za obi Zion ti meri nyokom Jerusalem ti meri miama no e bia obi betie me new e wa adwuma pa wo ye no na waka se ade de ye nti ase nti mo mayan sori ne yansori ne yenya bibi because enya fe 56 billion and 21 goes into some people's pocket to build houses and to buy land. And yet,
ma yebese to aso medase pa no pay wa nyame nshra medase papa Dr. Richmond Akwesi Etuahene on a banking consultant and we've gotten to that point and Novan say 21 billion and me the say even if you want to sell assets, some of these guys are very smart and or maybe the neoma sisi akwemu say person prevent crime. The criminals are always ahead of the curve. And you know no also the BA shia. No munam see. And some of them are very smart. Or more quiet, they can always beat the system. Unim say even with the GN banks are transfer now a core man on it 2014. No? It took a member of management within and a prompted the Bank of Ghana.
Yeah.
You get it? Yeah. And but for some prompt from within, no, and can regulate and bet now because some of these guys are very, very smart. And we are regulator information on more day mauno and aware they juma. You know, in independent, they say a new level, there can be independent checks of information at banks that they might regulate now. Fortunately, you know, so what kind of new reform document now? They seem to be doing certain things right. Say a bit to me, abua going forward, but still, people would have to pay for their actions and inactions. I know there absolutely no doubt about it. I mean, him the Udi chat to Amaya.
I'm saying no one Dr. Kayan. In fact, baby Eduno, they say and they say yet at this time to mean chase and a Usika and a background. A problem may be MIA and comfort and Namwa among the Omunye. Now say, yeah, brothers, Nigerians need to Nigeria for it to be here. I will be codem or buy a Japadia crowd, Modia Shop Mumbadimo. And that's what we should be able to do because and conform yes anyway. Bebreno, the Omoyan say, oh, toy Japadia, not the Asheni Dimu, not the Asheni Badimu, nor do a pet Nadam for be no frontemano. We need to find all this and make sure we take every peswa from these people. They must pay for it, no matter how long it takes. They should be made to pay for it.
And beyond paying, no, or more, it is every jail term, no, they should serve because
they should serve it.
And what the receiver can do, because on the action is online canon. Civil processes no bit my day. And he started with Capital Bank money. No, I think with the five banks, Beige, more and all the other things. And directors now in court. I don't know what starts as civil process. Challenging
court.
Yeah.
Especially
they have the right. I mean, to still challenge decisions of the Bank
That's
of Ghana.
That's what you also bring criminal cases against them. They have to be smart.
In the ensemble, Novan, Medase, so the discussions will continue. Many thanks. Fabɛwɔso ne yɛde ebrɛmu and DBS roofing sheet, Pan-African Savings and Loans, Vitamilk, Greenfield Scientific Herbal, and a Franco Trading Enterprise. Fabɛwɔso ebrɛmu. Mebacho tiewe ma mesisia meba. We have something very interesting coming up. Stay with us.
Adom Praise is 10 years. Hooray!